Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun.
Today we will learn the elimination method, a powerful strategy for solving a system of linear equations. This method works by eliminating one variable so we can solve for the other more easily.
The elimination method is best to use when both equations are written in standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. This setup makes it easier to eliminate one variable by adding or subtracting the equations. So let's look at this example. 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Our goal is to eliminate either x or y. In this case, we'll eliminate x by making the coefficient of x opposites. So we have here 3x and the other one is 2x. So, multiply each equation to create opposite x coefficients. So for the first equation, we're going to multiply this into positive 2 to make it 3x into 6x. And to have an opposite, we're going to multiply the second equation by negative 3. So we have it here. So 3x times 2 is equal to 6x. 4y times 2 is equal to positive 8y. And 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So our first equation, it becomes 6x plus 8y is equal to 10. Then we're going to multiply the second equation by negative 3. And we get negative 6x minus 9y is equal to negative 21. Then step 2, add the equations to eliminate x. Positive 6x and negative 6x cancelled. And if we're going to combine 8y and negative 9y, we get negative y, which is equal to negative 11. Then solve for y. Y is equal to positive 11. Next, substitute y back into one of the original equations. So let's use the first equation. 3x plus 4 times 11 is equal to 5. Then let's simplify. So we have 3x plus 4 times 11 is equal to 44 is equal to 5. Then let's add negative 44 both sides of the equation to isolate 3x. So we have here 3x is equal to negative 39. We are going to divide 3 both sides of the equation. So x is equal to negative 13. So the solution to the system is negative 13 and 11. The elimination method is especially powerful when the variables line up neatly in standard form. It makes eliminating one variable fast and efficient.